janky paramotor there, but at least our test was complete. So now we'll pull the PAP out. And we'll go get a fly in on something we can actually trust. Let's crank this bad boy back up. All right, let's see if we can get back in the air. We had a really good launch, even though we had some problems kind of getting going at first. Everything looks good. We just did that, but it doesn't hurt to double check. Let's see if we can get a better launch this time than we had last time. I don't want to mess up her time lapse because she normally time lapses the sunrises. We'll go back. She probably has her drone up somewhere. All right, I see her camera, so I don't want to mess that time lapse up. Looks like she may be getting her drone. Yeah, she's getting her drone. Get my prop wash there. All right, there's her drone. I see it. Circling each other right now, trying to give her a good shot. I still have plenty of time to fly. We'll go down here. What I kind of want to do is land and secure that reserve a little bit better. Those lines, I mean, they're in front of the cage, but I don't want them to get up against the cage or somehow get sucked back into that prop. That would be a very bad day. The dunes, I said beach, I meant dunes. Let's go down here and fix this reserve, and then we'll go get another flight in. Daytime heating can be dangerous because it'll kick off thermals later in the day. I mean, it can even happen early in the morning, but as daytime heating continues, that becomes more of an issue. So we'll come in here, build some speed, and land.